Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am creating a Father's Day shaker card. Now, I know that Father's Day is already past, but this was such a fun, cute, and quick little card that I wanted to share it with you guys. So I used my paper trimmer to cut out a frame shape in that orange paper, and then I used some of the Tombow Extreme adhesive on the back side of it so that I could apply my acetate sheet. And I'm going to use some of the Tombow foam tape to make a little, like, I don't know, space, I suppose, for all of the shaker bits so that they can move around really easily and stuff. And I love that pizza paper. I think it's perfect for my boyfriend. He loves pizza. It's one of his favorite things, and he loves donuts. So I was like, this collection by Amy Tan is amazing. I did make a mistake though. I started putting my shaker bits inside of the frame, but then I realized that I wouldn't be able to see if I was laying down the pizza paper on top, like straight or whatever. So I just dumped them out on top of the pizza paper and added some blue sequins and then a bunch of little yellow stars. And since I'm not putting anything else in the shaker and it is kind of a big open space, I decided to use a lot of sparkly bits so that it would kind of fill up the shaker part and stuff, and I really like how it turned out. I think it's super fun, very shakery, very sparkly. And then it's time to go ahead and put the stickers on. So these are the donut shaped thickers that came with the On a Whim collection. I did have to open up a second pack I had that was not in my stash. I only put one pack in my stash, but I did need, I think, that other pink like donut D. So I did have to open up a new stash to get that. But yeah, I think these donut stickers are super fun, and I like that the colored donut stickers are right in the middle, so it really catches your eye. And they kind of pop against the shaker bits and stuff inside the card. And once all of the thickers are put on the card, the only thing left to do is apply the panel to my card base. So I'm going to use some more of that Tombow Extreme adhesive and just pop that right onto the plain white cardstock base that I had prepared. Let me know down in the comments if shaker cards are your favorite kinds of cards to make. But that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!